Hi, we're at Petrie Island. Sun hasn't come up yet. I'm going to try and make this a shorter video. The island is flooded. It looks like it's at about 2017 level. Today is Easter Monday, by the way. So, going to get a little bit of the sun coming up here, and then we'll keep it pretty short for the day. Should be good, should be good. Oh, nice ducks coming in there. Okay, gotta go. Coffee time. Well, it's nice to get some different angles of shooting. Although nature can be pretty rough. Well, I didn't think I'd get as many shots as I ended up getting here so far. For these videos, watch towards the end of the video. That's where I'm going to post some of the photos that I've managed to grab. So I'm going to head back. In the interest of brevity, I'm going to keep this a short video. I've said that before. We'll see what happens. Here's a little look at where we're at so far with Petrie Island on April 22nd, 2019. Water's up there. Okay, thanks again for taking your time to watch it, the video. I appreciate the comments I've been receiving offline so far. I really appreciate the support. Hopefully I can keep these going somehow, in some form. Thanks. See you on the next one. Every time I change my vantage point, I see something new.